It is January the 26th, 2021. I'm outside the house. I'm looking at this gas pack right now that will not come on. That fan in there is supposed to be turning when it's working. Not working. It operates on gas. There's the gas line. The gas is on. And I have opened the fuse box, which doesn't use fuses, but it uses this thing right here, and pull this out. It was in the correct position when it was in, so I have disconnected all power, and now I plan to take the front cover off and see if I can find the run capacitor. Hopefully that is the problem. I'm going to find that, relocate it, replace it, see if that helps. Hold on. Okay, I'm in the process of removing all these screws. It's got about 8 of them that holds on this panel. You can see the word blower. I've been in here before. It's got a real big blower in there. I'm not convinced that it's the run capacitor, but it's an easy fix to check that. So let's see what's going to happen. So, panel comes right off. There's that big blower they're talking about. And up in here is the run capacitor. Looks like it's got some age on it, but it doesn't look bad, but I don't know if I can tell if it is bad. Hold on. Okay, it's held on by just one screw here. You remove that screw. There's a band that goes around it. And it comes out. And there she blows. You see, I've been in here before messing with this thing, so I have replaced it before, but I don't think it was bad, so I put it back in there. But I've named the color of the wires on the unit itself, so I know which ones come off and where they go. So if I had to put it back on there, I will be back in a minute, get a new one. Now, I just try to keep one of these in stock. This happens to be one of those. It's not quite as tall, but I think it's what they sent me. I bought it on eBay. I'm gonna give it a shot. I'm gonna pull that one off. What I'm gonna do is take one wire off at a time and stick it on this one until I get them all moved over, and then I'll put it back up in that bracket and see what happens. Hold on. Okay, that's what it looks like after I got it swapped. And I'm going to see if I put the power to it, if it'll come on. Hold on. Well, I hear the gas firing up. I don't know what that means other than it's not hot, it's cold air coming out of there. I don't know, it might not be lighting. In that case, I got to take this other panel off right here in front of us. Okay, I got that cover off. Here's what I'm looking at. And what he said was there should be a pressure switch in here that will keep the thing from igniting. I don't see anything. Looks like a pressure switch. There's a fuse that I might check, see if that fuse is working. Okay. I took my little screwdriver and tapped around on a few things, plugged it back in, and John Browned it. The thing didn't fire up, and it's cooking with gas right now. Now, first time it kicks off, I'm going to unplug it and take my run capacitor back off, that new one, and put on this one, because I don't think that wasn't the problem to begin with. The problem is somewhere in here. Something needed to be reset. There may be your problem right there. See that guy right there? He's still living. See him, he doesn't like it. I kind of deformed him a little bit. Water bug. When I took the cover off, there were what I thought was termites. Could have been ants. And so I sprayed some of this termite control in there. And I want to get this cover back on, because you're not supposed to run it with the cover off.